Two ways to resize your images in Photoshop. Open your image through Ctrl-O. Then you have two options to resize. First, use Alt-Ctrl-I. From this new window, choose your unit of measurement. Make sure this chain icon is pressed, so once you put in your width or height, the other box is gonna update automatically. Choose % if you're not sure what to put in. Number 2. After you hit Ctrl-O, if you see this lock icon, double-click in this region. Hit OK in this new window. Now to resize, use Ctrl-T. You'll get some white empty squares around this photo. Before you grab them, go to the top of Photoshop. Between W and H, you're gonna see this chain icon. Make sure that it's pressed. Now go over the corner handle, click, hold, and resize. Hit enter and you're about done. If you have empty space around it, go to the top menu to Image. From here, choose Trim. From this window, use these settings. Transparent pixels and check all 4 boxes. Hit enter and you're done. Follow for more design tips.